Welcome to this detailed walkthrough and honest review of the Bank of America Mortgage Refinance Service. As someone who has recently gone through the entire process, I'll be sharing exactly how it works, what to expect, and whether or not it lives up to the expectations that come with a major name like Bank of America. The website is designed in a fairly straightforward manner. On the Refinance page, you're immediately met with a rate estimate tool. It looks clean, but requires a lot of personal information early on. That can be a turnoff for users who just want to get a quick idea of rates before committing to sharing their data. The tool itself is accurate and updates based on your credit score, property type, and location, but don't expect highly competitive rates displayed up front. They tend to skew on the conservative side. Once you begin the application process, the site transitions you to a secure portal. Here, the experience can vary. In my case, uploading documents was smooth, but I did run into delays with their verification system. Support was helpful but not instant. Expect a turnaround time of at least 24 to 48 hours for most responses. One strong point is their online document center. You can track your progress clearly, see which documents have been received, and what's still needed. However, their pre-qualification isn't always accurate. You may be shown one set of numbers, only to receive a higher rate after underwriting reviews your file. The site does offer educational resources, including refinance calculators and FAQs, but some of the articles feel outdated. For first-time refinancers, the lack of interactive guidance can make the process confusing. It's clearly built for those who already have some familiarity with mortgage terminology. Bank of America does give you the option to speak to a loan officer, and while mine was knowledgeable, the availability was inconsistent. You'll need to schedule a callback, and same-day contact isn't guaranteed. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Regarding fees, transparency is hit or miss. Closing costs are mentioned in fine print, and you'll need to dig through the disclosures to get a full breakdown. Also, depending on your credit and equity, you might be required to pay for an appraisal up front, something that isn't immediately obvious during the online process. The refinance timeline overall took about 5 weeks from start to finish. That's slower than some of the newer fintech lenders on the market, but standard for a traditional bank. One thing I appreciated was that they lock your rate early on in the process, which gives you some protection if rates fluctuate during underwriting. In conclusion, Bank of America's mortgage refinance program is solid but not flawless. It's best suited for existing BOA customers who want the convenience of keeping their accounts under one roof. If you're looking for the lowest rates or the fastest service, this might not be the best fit. But for those who value structure and established processes, it's a dependable option. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest financial reviews and walkthroughs.